Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Hello friends, my name is Karan and welcome to your channel. In today's video, we will explore why it is so important for us to appear in examinations and certify for us to make more money this year, next year, and all the years to follow. Well, we will explore four reasons. The first reason is why we should get certified and appear in examination is that we will be up to date. I don't know which industry you belong to, but every industry in India today have relevant certifications, be it project management, be it medical field, be it uh, law field, be it software, hardware, finance, economics. So, whichever field you belong to, we need to do regular certifications so that we are up to date. Every year, new things are happening in our economy. So, we need to ensure that we certify quite regularly. There are examinations available. You may go to different portals and check which are the certificates relevant for your industry. Get yourself certified so that you are up to date. These certifications will have few advantages, like it will give you an edge over competition, other people, right? So number one reason is that you will have an edge. You will have an edge, right? Reason number two, why examination and certification will help us to make more money in 2023 is that it will help you where there is a eligibility criteria. These days, businesses, when they hire people, they do specify a certification requirement. If you have it in your CV, just imagine you'll be able to very easily crack. For example, if you are into project management, you have a Prince 2 or a PMP or maybe Agile or Scrum Master. If you are into insurance, you have a IIA certification or a LOMA certification. You will have an edge, right? Similarly, for other fields, if you have relevant certifications, let's say if you're in software, you have up to date knowledge of the latest languages, Python or whatever. So you will have an edge. You will be able to meet the eligibility criteria and make more money. Correct? So that was our reason number two. Our third reason for getting certifications and appearing for examination is that it will boost our confidence level. My money in the bank, my success is directly related to my confidence level. And when you start speaking, it will reflect how confident you are in your particular subject, right? So, how we will be more confident? I will have a separate detailed video. But right now, understand, if you have knowledge of your particular subject, you will be confident, right? If a person is good in finance, he's a chartered accountant, he'll be confident. We are not expecting that person to be an expert in medicine, but if you are an expert in your field, you will be confident. Correct? And how you will be an expert? By regular practice, by keeping yourself updated. So, guys, again, I'm reiterating, get yourself certified, recertified, appear in examinations every 6 months, one exam for every 6 months. There are free examinations also available for which you do not have to pay anything, right? There are paid courses, there are free courses, there are a lot of portal these days. I am not going to name any of the portals because this is not a paid video. This is something which I genuinely want you guys to sort of get yourself certified. Okay, so again, confidence level is always equal to your bank balance, right? So education will give you more confidence, which will give you more money. Great. With that, I complete my point number three. Last but not the least, brain food. Whenever you give an exam, whenever you study, you are challenging your brain, and it is so important to challenge your brain so that it is active. Brain will be active when we continuously challenge it. Giving examinations is one way, studying is one way, maybe playing, yeah, maybe doing some crossword, maybe some puzzles, right? Maybe doing some mathematics, learning new words. That is how we have to keep our brain active. An active brain will give us what? More money, more success, more confidence, early financial freedom. We'll be able to crack more interviews, we'll be able to interact better. So again, examination and certification is a way where you'll be forced to study and your brain will be active. Many times when I say to some of my colleagues that you should challenge your brain, maybe they will not know, maybe they will not be able to do it, but once you are aware that every 6 months I have to do a certification or a course, you will unknowingly challenge your brain and you will be on top of your career. Okay, so I think I have covered 4 points. Please review the video again. It is foundational video. It has helped me throughout my career. I have been studying. I will talk about my studies, what I have done along with my job, and how I have done it, how I did time management. That is a separate topic of discussion. But right now, trust me, examinations and certifications, if you do quite regularly, will help you make a lot of money this year, next year, and all the following years. I wish you all the very best. May God give you all the blessings. You have a great year, and I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. All the best.